How to quickly do your level 1 verification on your main Bybit exchange account. Here are the few steps you need to follow. Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to be learning how to go through the Bybit exchange verification process level 1. Now in this level 1 there are a couple of things you need to know, and this couple of things varies based on your country of origin. Okay, now if you're a Nigerian, you need your BVN for the level 1 verification on Bybit exchange. You need your BVN. If you are from the UK, you need your passport. All right, you need your passport. Then if you are from Ghana, you need your ID card, and so on and so forth. So it depends on the country where you obtained your ID card. But for Nigerians, all you need is your BVN for the level 1 verification on your main account on the Bybit exchange. All right, now here are the few steps you need to follow. Whichever country you are from, it doesn't matter. All right, all you just need to do is to toggle on the drop down. All right, you select your country, and the corresponding means of upload of identity will be given to you. All right, it will pop up. The following slides, you're going to see the few processes you need to go through in order to pass the level 1 verification on your main Bybit exchange account. Now let's go.